Are you sick and tired of going through life feeling unnoticed and insignificant? Today we're revealing 10 powerful psychology secrets that will make you stand out and be respected. These tricks will give you a confident presence in any room. From subtle power moves to mastering control, we're sharing the secrets that will put you in charge of every interaction. If you're ready to leave weakness behind and take control, hit play and start your journey to undeniable strength through body language. 1. Reverse negative assumptions. We often assume we lack certain skills without realizing it. For example, if you were shy growing up, you might think you're bad at public speaking or even bad at talking to people in general. Challenge these negative beliefs by reversing them. Understand that you are suffering more in your own imagination than in reality. Tell yourself daily, I am a great public speaker and people want to hear my ideas. Keep repeating this, and you'll feel less anxious and more prepared. 2. Master your body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and use assertive gestures to show confidence. Remember, your body speaks louder than words. Imagine you're in a meeting with colleagues. Instead of slouching and avoiding eye contact, sit up straight, make direct eye contact, and use confident hand gestures. This assertive body language instantly conveys confidence and commands attention. 3. Selective vulnerability. Next, use vulnerability wisely. Share only what makes you appealing and hide your weaknesses. At professional events, tell a story about overcoming a challenge in your field. This makes you relatable and strong without revealing weaknesses. 4. Using empowering words. Use stronger words to sound more professional and capable. Avoid phrases like, I think, or I'm not sure. Instead, say, I believe to sound more confident. Phrases like, in my opinion, also make you seem less sure. Just get straight to the point and get rid of unnecessary words. 5. Strategic silence. Use silence strategically in conversations to show strength and control. Sometimes saying nothing says it all. During negotiations, don't rush to fill every silence with words. Instead, listen carefully and pause before responding. Your silence shows confidence and control, making the other party unsure and more likely to make concessions. 6. Subtle intimidation. Use small cues like a firm handshake or confident gaze to show dominance. At a networking event, give a solid handshake and maintain a steady gaze. This shows confidence and makes others see you as strong and authoritative. 7. Visualize your most successful moments. Before doing something that makes you nervous, try this. Think about a time when you felt energetic, focused, and successful. Picture it in your mind. What were you doing? Who was with you? How did people react? How did you feel afterward? Bring that positive energy and confidence back to the present moment. 8. Don't over-justify yourself. What I mean by this is that you don't need to over-explain yourself to people. It makes you come across as desperate for their approval. If they don't agree with you or don't like you, you need to demonstrate that it doesn't faze you. 9. Manipulative charisma. Develop charisma to influence and lead others. Charm, persuasion, and confidence can help you project strength. During a team meeting, praise a coworker for their innovative ideas or strong work ethic. This boosts their confidence and strengthens your relationship with them, making them more open to your suggestions. Finally, we have the power dynamic mastery. Position yourself as the leader to avoid seeming weak or vulnerable. In a group project, take charge by leading the brainstorming session and assigning tasks. This way, you avoid appearing indecisive and help ensure the project's success. That's it. 10 powerful psychological tricks to project strength and confidence. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. So use these tactics wisely and ethically. Until next time, stay aware, stay empowered, and remember, knowledge is your greatest defense against the unseen forces that shape our world.